What's up everybody, my name is Alec. Welcome to my page. Today I'm going to be checking out the theory. Is the theme page market still a thing on Instagram? Is it completely dead? Can you still make a page and make lots of money with $0 invested? So what did I do? I started 2 different theme pages. In 90 days I uploaded over 600 reels just to see how viral we could go, how big we could grow this thing. And today I'm going to share with you exactly what my results were. So first thing first, what did I do? I had to come up with 2 different theme pages. One of them, I always loved to hike and travel, so I decided to make a travel page. We called it We Travel All Over. Right here is the page. And then the second page that I found was a tattoo page. I love tattoos. As you can see right here, I have some tattoos. So I found one and I named it The Ink Legends. I thought it was an awesome name. I've actually had quite a few pretty big artists follow the page. Mainly other tattoo artists have followed it, not as much of the fans, but I do have people that have been on Ink Masters, things of that nature. It's pretty freaking sweet. But yeah, those are the 2 pages I created. One of them I uploaded more reels to, which was the travel page. But let's jump right into the results. So right here is the We Travel All Over. The bio, I kept it very simple. I'm not trying to sell anything on these pages yet. This is part 1 of a series I'm going to be doing every 90 days to show you if I can make this a profitable business. And so anyways, I just left the bio very simple. Travel junkies welcome. I'm probably going to take a little bit of time to make a nice little logo, but if you see here, I just uploaded a ton of different reels. Some of them have went very viral, and then some of them have gained pretty much no views at all. I do have a couple videos here that hit the 100,000 view mark. One of them hit 280,000, which is a record for this challenge. And then some of them, like this one right here, if you click on it, let's see, we ended up getting roughly 10,000 likes there. Pretty freaking awesome. But these videos, I mean, they are awesome, high quality videos. I just took them from other creators and credited them and just, you know, just to share what some of the awesome scenes in the world are. A lot of things are AI related nowadays, so I kind of just wanted a page where I can show off what outside actually looks like. So that was the first page that I created. So the second page I created was The Ink Legends. Named it pretty much the same thing in the bio. Tattoo junkies welcomed. And on here I just uploaded a bunch of different videos of various tattoos that artists have made throughout the world. And I've actually had quite a few different artists reach out to me on this page already, you know, looking for promotion videos. I know this page isn't as big as my other one, but I really think that there might be a huge market as far as the tattoo page goes. Down the road, like I said, this is going to be a long-term video. I'm going to be making an update every 90 days just to see how big I can grow these pages, along with if we can make some money from these pages. So if you're interested in joining my Instagram empire, make a page yourself. You know, maybe not make a page directly related to these pages that I'm making. You know, there's a lot of different types of theme pages you can create, but I think they're getting a little less saturated than they were in the past. I don't know if there's as much money to be made. I know when I was in middle school and high school, a lot of theme pages were coming out. A lot of people were making a ton of money from it. I don't think it's as big as it was back then, but I do think that there is less competition now. I don't see as many theme pages out there. So go ahead, make a theme page. Let's kind of grow this thing together, see how big we can get these pages. My goal is to hit let's say 2,000 followers on each page by the end of the year. The Ink Legends is sitting at 508 right now, and I think the We Travel All Over is like 768, something like that. So essentially we've came up with about 1,200 followers in total off of 2 pages. Didn't do something like a follow for follow, nothing like that. This is all organic. I did follow on this page a couple of the different tattoo artists that I enjoyed posting and just enjoyed talking to in the messages. And then the other page, I did follow a couple different travel pages just because I wanted to make sure that my related content was popping up. I kind of had a pool of what videos I wanted to upload where I didn't have to look for them as hard. So that's kind of what I've done. Let me know if you run some theme pages and what I'm doing wrong, what I can work on, or what kind of stuff you've done to succeed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is going to be part 1 of a series to see how big I can grow these pages. So stay tuned, subscribe below, and y'all have a blessed day.